Greetings. Hello there. This is Marcio Gali, and I'm documenting the beginning of this project. Going back in time and bringing back some demonstrations from the good old days of the web. So this is from Web Archive. This is something I wrote in around 1999, as you can see there. It's basically, if I reload here, it's a kind of a typewriter animated demonstration, and it works in part because this was already modernized later, but still broken. So I think for me, like, this is an interesting exercise to use AI because you can bring back the dinosaurs, right? Uh, and who knows, um, the new things we can do from looking back in our history. There's so many interesting things in there, but let me show you because it kind of works, but I wanted this to work uh, again, and also to bring to my website. Why not, right? But I nevertheless, let us just see what's going on here, right? As far as I remember, you had to insert that microchip in a thing. That's it. And see, that chip says handmade, right? And then there's this button here to where you can tap on. Then the paper slides, and I think it's missing the light on here on the left hand side. It used to turn on or blink, I don't know. And then you can say hello world. See, if I hit enter, I can see, and it's missing the O, maybe because Web Archive couldn't download the image. And yeah, of course, the characters, they like breaking lines. I guess that's the beginning, right? And I wonder if I can bring this back using Codex. And I'm not planning upgrading, but it crosses our minds, right, to have a new computer there and maybe change that image. Those were transparent GIF images, as far as I remember. Of course, made with real pictures. That's it so far. Documented.